Hey everybody, so in this video we are going to be finding the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. So it says, given that matrix A equals element A, B, C, D, the inverse can be found using the following formula. So the inverse of matrix A can be found by doing 1 over the determinant of A times this following matrix. Now this looks very complicated, but it's not. A and D swap places, so there's D and A, and then B and C, the signs change. So whatever their numbers are, the sign value changes. If they're negative, they become positive. If they're positive, they become negative. So let's try this. They tell us to find the inverse of this following 2x2 matrix by hand using this formula. So the first thing we need is the determinant. Well, we know how to do that. We're going to take the downward diagonal, 2 times 6, that gives us 12, and we're going to subtract the upward diagonal, 2 times 5, which is 10. So the determinant of this matrix is going to be 2. So in order to find the inverse, it says 1 over the determinant. So let's write this out. We have, here is matrix A. We want the inverse. This is 1 over the determinant, so this is 2, times element D and then negative B. So here, A and D are going to swap places. So if it helps, we can label these. We'll say A, B, C, and there's D. So D and A need to swap, 6 and 2. And then B and C, their signs change. So negative 5 and negative 2. And now what you'll do is you will take this scalar of 1/2 and you'll multiply it by each element. So I'll say 1/2 times 6, 1/2 times negative 5, 1/2 times negative 2, and 1/2 times 2. So here, my inverse of matrix A is going to equal 1/2 times 6, which is 3, 1/2 times negative 5, which is negative 5/2, 1/2 times negative 2, and 1/2 times 2. So there's our inverse of matrix A. So if we took this matrix A here and we multiplied it by its inverse, we would get an identity matrix of 1, 0, 0, 1. So that's what the inverse does. It's able to reduce a matrix down to an identity matrix of 1. All right, that's going to be all for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.